Okay, very quickly, how can we add a Game Pass to our Roblox game? So what we want to do is load up the Roblox website, click on create here at the top. This is going to take us to the creator hub. Now select your game to which you want to add a Game Pass and then click on manage experience here. So after you have clicked on manage experience, you want to focus on the left hand side, scroll down until you see monetization and click on passes. Now you will see this, you don't have any passes, create a pass, and we can choose a picture here for our Game Pass. It's not mandatory, but we have to fill out a name here, so I'll just do test pass, like so, and we can also write a description. Now after that, click on create pass, and you will have created a Game Pass for your Roblox game. If we left click on the Game Pass itself, we can go to the sales channel here on the left, and we can put this item for sale, and we can type an amount here. So for example, for 10 Robux, if we click on save, now this Game Pass will cost 10 Robux. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.